Wow, so it actually pays. I was actually quite surprised to see this email coming through this morning. It came through about 8 hours ago. So I just wanted to share this video to share with you that the previous video that I made about Remotasks, introducing this new platform, it actually pays out. It's legit. And the best part is that I didn't even have to request this withdrawal. So it actually just came out completely automatic. So whatever is on your dashboard, you'll be paid out weekly during the week. So I got my payment on the 6th of on a Thursday, but they actually say that they pay out every Tuesday. So I got mine on a Thursday. I don't know what happened there, but the best part is that it actually pays out and it's automatic. So whatever is on your dashboard, on your Remotasks account, it'll be paid out instantly throughout the week. So I know this is just 6 cents, but basically what I didn't want to spend a lot of hours on a platform not knowing whether it actually pays out or it's going to end up being a scam. You know, with most of these new platforms that come out online, you basically want to verify they actually pay out before you go all in on this. So basically this is a payment. So I just logged into my PayPal account right now. I received this is from Remotasks themselves. So as you can see, there's the website right there. So the sender is verified. Everything's just legit. So they only sent me the 6 cents. So I earned 7 cents for literally just taking a course on this, on their platform. So basically, to be able to start taking tasks that they offer on their platform, you need to get qualified for them. So to be qualified, you need to go through the courses, right? I did a course on one of the tasks. So it's like an introduction course. And then I was able to, I literally got paid for taking that course. So they paid me 7 cents for that, and then it just came through. So I think this after PayPal deductions and fees like that. So that's I think which is about 4% of your earnings, and yeah. So that's why it's actually just 6 cents that came through. But the main purpose of this video is just to share with you a Remotasks platform is actually legit and it pays out. So I'm going to be going hard on it. So if you want to try out this platform, why not get paid a $5 bonus for free? So there's a link down below which is going to give you $5 when you earn your first $10 on this platform. So it will cost you nothing. It will just give you an extra $5 when you earn your first $10 on this platform. So be sure to check that link out and then get started with this platform. So it is legit, it pays out, and it's automatic, which is a great part about this platform. So if you can just go back to my dashboard and show you what actually happened here. So as you can see here, I'm actually on my dashboard on Remotasks. So I just logged in. So basically, this is my dashboard. This is the university where you'll be able to take any course that will be there. And then once you pass, you get 3 opportunities to actually pass the test. So once you pass this test, you'll be able to actually take the task and start earning some money online for free from wherever you are. So basically, this is what I'm talking about. So the invite link, I'm gonna leave my invite link down below so that we both receive $5 bonus when we make our first $10. So I also joined with a referral link so that I earn that $5 extra on top of the $10, my first $10 that I make, which is a great opportunity, basically for free. So this is what I got paid last time. So every week, they pay out weekly, paid on Tuesday morning. So as I said, I got mine on a Thursday morning. But anyways, I think it all depends on which country you're in and so forth. 7 cents, that's what I got for literally just taking a course. It's not even doing tasks yet, so which is another amazing thing about it. So basically, what you can expect to make from this platform is anywhere from $1 to as much as you can make in an hour. So basically, what happens with this is that you get different tasks to do, right? So once you pass the task, once you pass the courses that you are offered for specific tasks, you basically get qualified to take on tasks that are provided on Remotasks, right? So once you qualify for this task, you basically have to do them. So I've seen on YouTube, you see somebody here earns 3,852 cents. So it's all about you and how much time you are willing to spend on this platform. So basically, I've seen on YouTube, I was just browsing, going through withdrawal proofs, and I've seen people making upwards of $100, $200. Another person actually made over $800 with this platform alone. So it all depends on how much time you are willing to put in on this. And as you can see, automatic payments, which is amazing. So basically how it works is that you sign up, you take exams, and then actually, as I said, you get 3 chances to pass these exams just in case that you don't make it on the first one, on the first attempt or second attempt. So which is another great thing. So they really want you to join and start working, right? So, and then once you pass the exams, you get tasks on your dashboard that are relating to the exams that you took. So and then you get paid weekly via PayPal. As you saw, I just showed you proof of payment right there. So they actually pay out, they are legit. The easy tasks to do: you're drawing boxes around cars, moderating content, identifying, spam, categorizing t-shirts and so forth. So you can go through and just read what is this all about, and then join, get started. Again, as I said, the link down below give you $5 when you earn your first $10 on this platform for free, totally for free. So it's up to you. If you want an extra $5, the link is down below, so you get started right away today, and it's for free. As you can see, different people from around the world, they've been here on this platform, they've been earning. They've basically just doing the whatever you need to do on this platform to get started. So as I said, it's up to you how much time you want to spend on this platform. They got FQL, FAQ right here. So there's no minimum, which is another great thing. Again, whatever is on your account is what you receive during that week when they do payments. So there's no minimum of how much you actually need to pay out. So in the previous video, I know I said $5 because I read on the other review that it said $5, but as you saw, I received 6 cents, literally 6 cents USD that was on my account is what I got in my PayPal account. So whatever is on that you manage to get during that week is what you'll be able to receive in your account. So whenever they actually pay out within the 7-day period. So I can expect my next payment in 7 days from today because I just received mine just 8 hours ago. So if I work on this platform during this week, I'll be able to share with you guys another video showing you how much I was able to make in a week and so forth. So I recommend that you get started today and just check out what you can actually do with this platform. So it's easy to use. You can use it even on your mobile as well, but as you can see, you can use it on your mobile, but there are certain tasks that you won't be able to really do on your mobile phone. So I think any device can do, so it just depends on the types of tasks that you want to do. So you can actually, it works worldwide, so there are different countries that you are able to sign up from right now. So just check that your country is available and get started with it. That's basically how you earn from home doing simple tasks online. This is a great opportunity for anybody who's interested in earning a little bit extra cash online. So these are the types of works that you'll be able to do. As I say, transcribe audio is one of the most paying jobs on this platform, one of the most paid tasks on this platform. So you'll be able to transcribe audio into text. So that's basically just listening to what is being said in an audio and then just typing it out. And there's also a good, so you can either outsource this if the payment allows you to do so. You know, like let's say you're earning $2 for every maybe 1 hour of transcription. I know sites like Fiverr where you can get somebody to do it for less than $1 an hour. So it is all up to you. You'll just see how much you'll be able to earn for transcribing the audios. Otherwise, if you get time to do it, just do it on your own and then earn all profits. Because remember, you don't need any money to get started on this website. It's all for free. You literally just have to create your account and take time to go through the courses. Just make sure when you go through the courses, you actually learn every single thing that you need to be learned, right? So that you earn the maximum amount that you can do when you take tasks. Because remember, when it comes to tasks, they actually pay you according to the accuracy of your work. So the more accurate that your work is, the more accurate that your task that you have completed is, the more payment that you'll be able to make for every single minute that you spend on this platform. So anyways, as I said, $5 for free bonus if you sign up using the link down below. You simply get started. So again, these are the tasks that you'll be doing. Very simple tasks. Audio transcription is one that I really recommend a lot of you to do because it just pays the most. Data collection is the most one that you'll be able to get on this platform. So yeah, it's all up to you how many minutes you want to spend on this daily. So as you can see, this is actually audio transcription. This is basically how it works. So you'll be listening to the thing. You'll be listening to an audio. You got the instructions, and then you basically just type out what you're listening to. And then once you submit your task, and then you just have to wait for your payment. And then there's another task right there, image annotation. So this is basically what you'll be doing all day just to get paid. And as you can see, people are earning crazy amounts with this platform. There's different ways you categorizing products and stuff like that, and then you simply get paid automatic payments throughout the week, which is amazing. I've never seen any other platform that does this. Right now, out of all the platforms that I'm using to make money online, none of them actually do automatic payments. I mean, this is literally automatic. You don't have to request a withdrawal whatsoever. Literally, whatever is on your dashboard, that's what you receive during the week. So as you can see, this is my progress for this week. I haven't actually done anything. I just want to show you that it is possible to make money with this platform. It is legit. It pays out. I showed you proof. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn notifications, and leave a comment down below if you got any questions. Don't forget to join the Telegram group that we have in the description below. So just check out that link, and then you'll be able to join the group. Thanks for watching all the way. Again, the $5 bonus, if you want it, the link is down below. So be sure to use that link to join, and then earn $10. After you earn your first $10 on this platform, you get an extra $5. I really appreciate your time. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.